Hi guys, today I got a vacuum cleaner, so we're going to unbox this vacuum cleaner together. I got this vacuum cleaner from Class Austin and it was 60 euros. So guys, this is 700 watt, so it's just some for 2-room apartment. So I think I don't need bigger than this. So this is good for me for now. So because we are family, I just decided that we are going to do this together. So if you're just passing by on this channel and your hand just click on my channel, Eva Blink vlog, and you just stumble on this video, please don't hesitate to do what I love. It's by subscribing and also hit the notification bell and leave a comment and also share. So guys, thank you. Let's begin. So I have my scissors here. Okay, this is well super sealed. Handbook how to use it. Perfect. Oh, the main thing is here. Yay! Woo! Hey, we have this one. So I think everything is out. Yay, my vacuum cleaner is here. So, let's see how to. my baby is so afraid of vacuum cleaner. Immediately she saw me bring out this, she ran. She ran away. Okay, this is the perfect one. Actually, I don't know the use of this. She's crying because of this vacuum cleaner. Can you imagine? Okay. This is boop, boop, boop. Look at her, see how she grabbed me. Boop, 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 boop. Oh my god. So guys, I don't know this one. What is the use? But I'll figure this out later. Okay, so I mounted everything, put everything together. Now, next thing, plug it, the current, and try it on. Yeah, mama. So, some people don't know where this socket is located. So, it's at the back of the vacuum. So, I'm gonna try how it works. Venta. So mama. Yeah. And this, pull it out the length of which you want. So, and if you want to bring it back in, you just press. There's this button, the sign actually written on it, so you just press there and the ropes goes back in. That's it. So we're gonna try how it works. My socket is right here. So I'm going to put this down. Nay, mama. Whoop. So I'm gonna try. I forgot to thank you guys. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. So thanks for watching. More video coming soon. It's coming. Thank you. Ciao. Love you guys so much. Bye.